Welcome to World Famous Food with Mr. Nez. Today, oxtails baked in the oven. Let's cook. So now it's time to season the oxtails. Got some onion powder. So we wash oxtails in some vinegar and lime juice. Got some garlic powder. A little bit of jerk seasoning. Got some oxtail seasoning. Gonna add some browning. Get a little bit of color, you know. Come on out there now. There we go. Gonna mix this up. We're gonna add some avocado oil. And some ginger garlic paste. Mix this up. See, oxtail should look like this. See that? Once you put all those seasonings in. Okay, so we got our oxtails in our baking pan. We're gonna add some bell peppers. Got some onions. It's gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good. Some carrots. Okay, so we got some green seasoning. This is in ice cube form. Video is on the channel. We got 2 habaneros in there. And some better than bouillon. We're gonna put this in the oven for 3 hours. Okay, so we added some thyme, I forgot to say that. And we're gonna cook this for 3 hours at 400 Fahrenheit. All right, it's been 3 hours. Let's check our oxtails. Look at that. It's come right off the bone. Okay. It's time to plate this. All right, here's our baked oxtails. Got some Spanish rice to go with this. Look at this, folks. Hey Ron, check it out, buddy. World Famous Foods.